Right, so we've propped up on a computer printer. Here we are with an early version of the Amstrad 901, and we will be testing it with the original Action Man mic later on. So there's the original microphone. These were a disaster and were withdrawn, but it's nice to have them and just use a different mic. See if Mr. Chippie's there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
We'll just stand by, I'm on the wrong voltage. I'm on 12.5 volts. I've just been doing a realistic walkie-talkie, so we'll just go to 13.8. Now, there we are. Right, I'm now ready. Just need to plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, and off we go.
Roger that. Passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, I've got a tone control.
Roger that. So we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, now passing the passing place, and shortly passing what will eventually be, we think, will be doggy daycare.
Well, they've got planning permission for it now, so it will probably happen within 3 years.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's still closed.
Roger on that. Have we done one test today? Yeah.
Roger. Right, we're now square-wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on your hexagonal wheels.
No, the square.
Just checking.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Oh dear, I never did something first.
Yeah, Roger that. So it's a Amstrad.
Yes. So on an Amstrad 901, it's an early version, which one that came with the action last night. It's doing full 4-watt output now, and you can see it well. It's doing 1.1 amps to do that. And I'm on a standard replacement mic.
Yep, Roger that. All received. Level crossing. Over.
What have you got? You going over Wilsford level crossing?
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
What have you got? You at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
What have you got? You at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
What have you got? You at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Amstrad 901 early version, Cybernet 002 F chassis made in Japan. Standard replacement mic, doing full 4-watt output. I'm going 1.12 amps. Pop it onto low power. 54321. We're on low power. It's 520 milliamps power consumption. If I look at my clipboard, I will find out what its milliwatts it was. It was 330 milliwatts. Go back to full power. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, absolutely fine on full power. Noisy but fully readable on low.
Excellent, off you go when you're ready.
Oh, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on now.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 136.9 and 139.7.
Roger that, first fine, thank you. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going.
Well, unfortunately the battery ran out on the camcorder, so you got as far as Mr. Chippie saying just going over Rossby level crossing, but anyway, it's working fine. So we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like with both the microphone I've just been using and also with the Amstrad Action Man microphone.
Tango 21, testing the Amstrad CB901 with a standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gone to low power. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and then back to full power. There we are back on full power. So we'll go over to the Amstrad factory original mic. So here we are with the Amstrad Action Man microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2,